The facility that we're standing in is a 200,000 square foot facility. About 160,000 square feet of that is manufacturing floor space. In this facility, we have really three different types of machinery. We've got metal cutting machinery, composite machinery, and solar equipment. Okay, the majority of our business services the aerospace industry. As you can see in the diagram behind me of this aircraft, it lists out all the parts that are made by machines that MAG makes in this very facility in northern Kentucky. Although we don't make the parts ourselves, we make the machines that make the parts. So you can kind of think of MAG as building the machinery that moves the world. We not only have equipment that makes parts for aircraft, we've also got equipment that makes parts for automobiles, as well as freight train locomotives and many other applications. As we're going down through, you can see here's an application from one of our metal cutting machineries called a profiler. It's a landing gear for a Boeing 787 aircraft. Moving on down, you've got rib structure, for aircraft that can be made out of aluminum or titanium. In the back here, you've got a wing skin for a F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, otherwise known as a Lightning II. From there, you've got some of the composite applications. Okay, we really have two different types of machinery when you talk composites. We've got tape layers and we've got fiber placement machines. These machines are responsible for making fuselages, wing skins, composite fuel tanks. If you look over here, we've actually got an example of a composite fuselage. Although this is a structure that's hard as steel, it's also very light. As you can see, I can pick it up with one hand. And if you zoom in, you'll notice that the material is actually a unidirectional carbon fiber tape that's laid in all different types of directions. Those layers are what they call a layup. On the machinery itself, it has IR heaters that'll thermoset the material to help it lay down. But once the part is complete, this will go into an autoclave or an oven where it'll bake and actually cure that resin in the tape to make it the hard structure. So as you can see, MAG is making the machinery that moves the world.